Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and today I'm going to be talking about what your rights are following an accident at work. Now, it's important that you should know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment if you've been injured following an accident at work from specialists local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest a more specific method of recovery. Now, certain treatments can be costly, but if your accident was caused by someone else, you could be entitled to access these treatments without having to pay a single penny. The use of one of these may allow your injuries to heal quicker. If you've had an accident that was not your fault, you qualify for free injury treatment from a specialist in your local area. Contact us to find out if you are eligible for free private treatment from a specialist. That may also include physio treatment if needed by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you sustained an injury following an accident at work that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist, one that has experience in dealing with accident at work injury claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation, where we'll talk through your accident at work injury incident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. Now, being involved in a workplace accident can be a very stressful time. You may have suffered an injury. Your injuries may have forced you to take time off work, and this time off work means that you may be out of pocket due to the loss of earnings whilst you're unable to work. So, if you've been involved in a workplace accident, you may be wondering what your rights are. So, I'm now going to go over a couple of points that you should bear in mind if you've been involved in a workplace accident. The first thing that you should bear in mind is that as an employee in the UK, you will always be covered by health and safety at work legislation if you've had an accident at work. This means that regardless of what your job is, whilst you're at work, your employer has a legal duty to ensure you are kept safe from an accident, injury or illness. You should bear in mind that if you've been involved in an accident at work, your employer cannot dismiss you if you wish to bring a claim against them for compensation. They will also be obliged by law to pay you statutory sick pay as well as give you sufficient time off in order to recover. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery should you require any further treatment, and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way. We can go over injury at work rights, accident at work procedure for personal injury at work, answer any questions like, can I be sacked for having an accident at work, or I had an accident at work, what are my rights UK, and what to do after an accident at work if you were dismissed after accident at work.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.